Paintless Dent Repair is revolutionizing auto body repair in Idaho by providing an innovative, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly method for fixing minor dents without damaging a vehicle's original paint. PDR uses specialized tools to massage and reshape dents from the inside of the body panel, making it ideal for minor hail damage, door dings, and small creases. This technique offers significant benefits, including 1. Cost-effectiveness. PDR eliminates the need for replacing or repainting panels, reducing costs for both auto body shops and customers. 2. Time efficiency. PDR is faster than traditional methods, often taking less than an hour, enhancing customer satisfaction and allowing shops to serve more clients. 3. Environmental benefits. PDR avoids the use of chemicals, paint, or fillers, making it an eco-friendly option that aligns with sustainable practices. 4. Quality and value retention. PDR maintains the vehicle's original paint, preserving its resale value and factory condition. Idaho is embracing PDR due to market trends, favoring quick, economical, and sustainable services. Local auto body shops are adopting PDR to meet consumer demands, improve customer loyalty, and benefit from higher productivity. Training and certification programs ensure technicians are skilled in PDR, promoting its growth. The future of PDR in Idaho looks promising with technological advancements improving precision and efficiency. Market growth is expected due to increased environmental consciousness and cost-effectiveness. For sustained success, customer education and awareness are crucial, highlighting PDR's benefits and savings. Overall, PDR is set to remain a key player in Idaho's auto repair industry. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@theratofgemstatepdr.com.